Hello friends, in the previous video I demonstrated how to do basic VLAN configuration on a switch. So this was the switch on which we configured VLAN in the previous video. Now I have taken another switch and three PCs, and I have assigned IP addresses to these PCs as well, as you can see here. Now we will do the same VLAN configuration on this switch also. In this video I will show you how to do inter VLAN routing. So let me first create VLAN on this switch also. Enter global configuration mode. Now we will create three VLANs on this switch. One VLAN for HR department, another is for sales department, and the third for the marketing department. So we will do the same thing. Create VLAN 2 and name it HR. Exit. Then we will create VLAN 3 and we will give it a name sales. Exit. Then I will create VLAN 4 and I will name this VLAN marketing and exit. Now you can check the VLANs. So do show VLAN. As you can see, we have created these three VLANs, but right now we have not assigned any interface to these VLANs. So let's do that as well. So int fa0/1. So I will assign this interface to VLAN 2. So for that I will enter command switch port access VLAN 2. Exit. Then I will go to interface fa0/2 and then I will assign this interface to VLAN 3. Exit. Now go to interface fa0/3 and I will assign VLAN 4 to this particular interface and exit. Now if we check the VLANs by running do show VLAN command, you can see we have assigned interfaces to these three VLANs. So now we want that the PC in the HR department should be able to communicate with this PC in the HR department, and this PC in the sales department should be able to communicate with this PC in the sales department, and the PC in the marketing department should be able to communicate with the PC in the marketing department, but these PCs should not be able to communicate with the PC of the other department. So how can we achieve that? For that purpose we will do inter VLAN routing. So for that purpose I will take crossover cable and connect these two switches. Now we will configure trunk mode on both these switches. For that purpose click on switch number 1, go to the configuration mode. Now the interface here is fa0/4. So go to this interface fa0/4 and now we will run the command switch port mode trunk on this interface and press enter. Exit. And we will do the same thing on this interface, on this side of the interface also. For that go to the interface fa0/4, which is this particular interface, and run this command switch port mode trunk, press enter and exit. Now let's see if we are able to communicate with the PCs. So this PC in the HR department should be able to communicate with this PC in the HR department. So let's try to do that. So the IP of this PC is 10.0.11. So as we can see, we are able to communicate with this PC, but are we able to communicate the PC in the sales department? No, we won't be able to communicate with the PC in the sales department. Let me show you that. For that purpose, we will try to ping this PC, and the IP of the sales department PC is 10.0.12. Press enter. So as you can see, we are not getting any response. It is taking time, but we are not able to communicate with the PC in other departments. So this is how you can do inter-VLAN routing. Now let me show you one more example. So the PC in the sales department should be able to communicate with this PC in the sales department. So let me show you if we are able to communicate with this PC or not. So I will type ping, and the IP of this PC is 10.0.12. Press enter. As you can see, we are able to communicate with this PC. So the PC in the sales department is able to communicate with the PC in the sales department. So, but are we able to communicate with the PC in the marketing department? So let's see. Type 10.0.13. We are not getting any response. You can see here in the command prompt. Request timed out. It takes time. So what we get to learn from this? So this shows that the PC, if PCs are in the different VLAN, they won't be able to communicate with each other. Only PCs in the same VLAN will be able to communicate with each other. So this is the basic idea behind VLAN. I hope you must have got something to learn from this video. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below what else do you want to watch on this channel. Thanks for watching this video.